Welcome to Okuma. My name is Pablo Lichti. Do you also have to provide high precision workpieces which requires massive roughing beforehand? Then let's have a closer look to the MB-80V. We have chosen the double column bed design which we are using successfully since 1964. The machine bed consists of rock solid cast iron which can be recognized by the machine weight of more than 16 tons. So, this machine can be used for heavy-duty machining as well for the machining of high-precision mold parts. As you can see, we have an extremely good accessibility to the machining area. The operator can load very large components without any problems, as the door openings are even larger than the total length of the table. In addition, we also have an excellent accessibility to the spindle, so that the operator easily can check the tools if necessary. We have a wide range of different spindle variations depending on your requirements, including the Okuma 3-year spindle warranty each. The access travels are in X 1600, in Y 1050 and in Z 600 mm. As you can see, the 12,000 high power spindle with 33 kW and over 500 Nm torque can easily mill hardened steel. A 32 tool magazine is standard. However, there are possibilities to increase up to 268 tools depending on your requirements. The machining of materials and components, which involves a very high chip volume, can be processed without any problems, as we have two integrated conveyors on each side of the table, as well as a massive chip flushing system which removes the chips from the table and the workpiece. The optimized cooling system consists of a single pump which easily can be extended. Due to this new system, the maintenance will be significantly reduced. Okuma machining centers already have intelligent technologies, thermo-friendly concept and Servo Navi as standard. If you are interested in more details about our intelligent technologies, or you want to feel the real power of our MB-80V, please get in contact with us at info@okuma.eu.